everyone, welcome to Rasdipzzz. Today we're going to bake a easy, simple, soft and ultimate chocolate cake. For that, let's begin by preheating our oven at 100 degrees Celsius using the below road for 10 minutes. For dry ingredients, take 3 cups of all-purpose flour or maida. Add 1.5 cup of powdered sugar. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and half teaspoon of baking powder. Combine them all well. Beat 2 eggs. To that pour 1 cup oil. Add 1 tablespoon vinegar or lemon juice. Now add our dry ingredients. I have melted a 300 gram of hazelnut chocolate using 1.5 cup of water. Pour them warm, it makes the cake softer. Beat them on low speed. Pour the batter into 3 greased baking trays with butter paper. I have also transferred some of it into small tin. Tap our baking trays very well to get rid of air holes. Bake it at 160 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Now our cakes are completely baked. They are super soft. Cut off the topmost layer to get a flat cake. To make chocolate ganache, I have taken a 300 gram of chocolate, melted using 3 tablespoons of milk. Our chocolate ganache is ready. I have taken a board to assemble our cake. Apply some ganache onto the middle of the board. Grab your first layer of cake and pop it onto the center of the board. Brush with some sugar syrup to keep it soft for longer. Now spread our chocolate ganache over the cake.